Kublai phi baru kini kilong ki khubor bam takasi. Apreng gijingele ban pinkalo ye kanong ba shillong kham tam ye kasor Laitumkhrah Ministry rang ba bakmi ye khnat urban affairs ba snyau phalang dhan ha gasi tho ding. Ulai thu ba kasor kar ka kwa ban pyndep trai ye ki kam pinkin ria no iki dukan madan na Laitumkhrah. Ya katei le trai lang bat urang ba shnong bat la dep ru ban ithu ik jaka ban pinkin ria ye thu uma snyau phalang dhar katnat kabla tray kam wat ha ubnai balala laya shong jingyelang bat baro ki rang ba ashnong ka Laitumkhrah bat kilakmen bha bakhot ye ka jingyelang hendring indang le iki kam batmu banne ong ubas nyau bhalang ulo ong ba ka jingslem baro ka dei namar ka jingmi ki jing e bat ki dor bar shnong ka jingslem khindian ki don katu ka ne ki jing e bayathaku bat ki dor bar shnong ban menta ngilala ban ya railang ban menjur ngila debru ban ithu ekatu ka ni ki jaka ban ngin sapin kan ria yaki hakapor ka babiang uloong shu uloong ka jing terwashna jaka ya ikjat upat ba hakin dailan uba snyau balang uloong ba ka jing pin khre ya ka detail project report kadang ya menta halor ka jinglong jingman ka interstate bus terminal uba snyau balang uloong bala deb ai yaki jing batha sha ka Meghalaya Transport Corporation bakin pin khoi.
The meeting like all the headmen in them, so they are very happy with the meeting. So we are here to take action now. So because why it take little bit delay, there is some problems with the local Rampa, and now we have come to unanimous decision. So funded have agreed, and even some place who has been identified, we are yet to remove them in the appropriate time.
Did the government have paid that 2,000 per month to that hawkers who?
No, we will do the same thing as we do in Kandaila, but let us start the work fast and follow the same system only. For those who should get.
The when construction in the MTC will finish construction?
What actually, as per time, it should be completed by August, more or less. So hopefully this year, very soon, it will be completed.
Now, when will the